Good morning, everyone. I hope you be very well. Welcome back to online school. I hope you can continue working through this platform with me. The way that we're going to work is as follows. First, I will post 2 activities during the school hours, and in the afternoon, I will post the homework. So, let's start our classes today. Today is Monday, April 20th, 2020, and we are in the topic 8, that is called, How Will Technology Change the World? Activity number 1. Look at the following images and complete the chart. First, in your notebook, we're going to copy the 3 questions and you are going to answer. Question number 1. How do we used to do the following things? Number 2. How do we do them now? Number 3. How will we do them in the future? So, I'm going to talk about that pictures and I'm going to give you my opinion. So let's pay attention. Communicate over long distances. In the past, we used to communicate by writing letters or using a telegraph. Nowadays, we communicate using a computer. What about the future? Let me know your answers in the chart. The next picture. Travel long distances. We used to travel by ship long distances. Nowadays, we use a car or a bicycle to travel long distances. What about the future? Let me know your answer. The next one is learn new information. We used to learn new information. We used to learn new information researching in the library. Nowadays, maybe to use a computer to research new information. What about the future? Cloud observe. We used to wear animals for clothing. Nowadays, we use cotton cloth. What would you imagine that can happen in the future? Let me know your answer. The next one. Obtain food. We used to get food using arrows and animals. What about nowadays and in the future? Let me know your answer in the chart. Number 6. Record and remember events. We use hieroglyphics or symbols to remember important events. Let me know your answer about nowadays and in the future. Treat illnesses. We treat disease using natural medicine or exploring how the human body works. What about nowadays and in the future? Let me know your answer in the chart. And the last one. Obtain fuel. We got food using wood or some sticks to burn them. Let me know your answers about what happened nowadays and what will happen in the future. This is the chart that you're going to complete with the previous images. You can put my own answers where I talk about the past, and you can continue writing your ideas about what will happen in the future and what happens nowadays. Okay? When you finish this activity, send me your evidence in the class.